Hello guys, welcome to Forex Success. So today I will show you how you can trade stepindex perfectly. So we've done a lot of crash and burn strategies. So today let's step into step index, guys. So once again, if you're new here, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a new strategy for you guys to trade and make money, of course. So give this video a thumbs up as we get started. So this is stepindex, as you can see on my screen. Different time frame as well. So the strategy I'm gonna show you right now, it's very simple. It's a simple and powerful strategy for stepindex. It also works for V75, of course it does, but stepindex is the main key for this strategy, of course. So guys, what I just need from you is your total concentration. Of course, don't skip it, guys. Don't skip it so you won't miss it, of course. So right now I'll be getting started with the parameters for the indicators that you'll be using for this strategy to trade stepindex. The first one, will need the moving average, which will put it on period 3. Guys, just follow this carefully so you'll be able to do yours. Shift 0, the mentor exponential, apply to typical price. The levels you ignore, make it 2 pixel, and use let's use yellow for this strategy. 2 pixels, save and done. That is the first. Let me make the color more sharp. The brighter one. Okay, save and done. So the next indicator will need another moving average. Guys, please stay tuned, don't skip. We're using period 60 right now. Period 60 stepindex. You can take a screenshot of it so that you can set yours once you are done watching the video. So period 60, shift 0, mentored simple, apply to close. Color we're going to use now, let's take green. Let's take green, guys. We use 3 pixels for this green, then we'll click save and done. We're done with the other indicator, and again we need another moving average, which will be period 7. Period 7, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, 2 pixel. Let's take red, save and done. Good. We need a stochastic oscillator. Which will set it on, as you can see the setting, guys, the K period, the D period, 1111, just use it like this, low high, the levels 20, 50 and the 80, 20, 80 and the 50 levels, set it like this. So the colors, we can use the main. Just ignore the colors, guys. Let's just ignore the colors. Use the color of your screen. For the Ichimoku, use the color of your screen. So my background is white, so I'll be using the color of my screen. So if you are using a dark screen, make sure to change yours to black. Good. You click done. That's the Ichimoku. It will just help us to plot out the overbought and oversold level, and then we'll get the Ichimoku at the oversold level. Look at it at the indicator window 1. You can see you can add indicator at the main window and indicator at the indicator window 1. So at the indicator window 1, that's where you click to add the Ichimoku, which we're gonna be adding right now the default setting, which is 926 and 52. That is what we're gonna be using right now. For the take and sign, make it 4 pixel, use the blue color, save. But for all these guys, use the color of your screen. They're not needed. As you all know, the color of my screen is white, so I'm using the same white. Guys, this strategy, it's very powerful and it works. Guys, there is money in stepindex. For real, there's money trading stepindex, and this strategy will help you discover that. Just stay tuned, guys, just stay tuned. So done. Okay, the last indicator, a moving average at indicator window 1, which you set at period 3 as well. Period 3 moving average, period 3 shift 0 exponential method, exponential 3 pixel. Yeah, 3 pixel, guys. Would take let's just use, I don't like repeating colors, but which color is the free, guys, that we haven't used? Okay, let's use this purple. Save. Yeah, we use the purple. Of course, let's just use the purple. So you can use it on close and then done. This last indicator, guys, there is an issue that is actually, especially for iPhone users. So we're gonna be letting this moving average go because it's gonna confuse especially the iPhone users. But if you're using Android, you're supposed to use for the apply to previous indicator data. But for the iPhone, for iOS, it doesn't display. So what we do is that we just get rid of the last moving average. So we are using 3 moving average at the main window and stochastic oscillator and Ichimoku at the indicator window 1. You are done. Great. So the strategy is ready to be used. So what I will do right now is to show you how you can use it to make money. Great. First thing, the strategy works on any time frame. Yeah, it works on any time frame. That is, it works for scalping and it also works for swing trade. If you want to keep it on the long-term trade, let me go take you deep to the long-term trade. And as you all know, we're using the third zoom level for this strategy. Third zoom level, guys, for this strategy right here and right now. So take for instance, this is a long-term frame, which is the daily time frame. What you need to watch out for, just 2 conditions. Sorry, guys, just 3 conditions. First condition is that this blue line you can see, please notice this will be my mouse. This thing that's moving right now, this would be my mouse. Of course, that's what I'm using to direct whatever I'm teaching right here. So watch out for this blue line to be at the overbought level, which is above the 80 levels. That is the first condition. 2, watch out for this green moving average to cross above the chart. Second condition. And third condition, watch out for this red to be above the yellow moving average. I hope this is clear. Watch out for the red moving average to be above the yellow moving average. That gives you a complete condition to sell your trade. Great. You sell your trade, you place your stop loss above this moving average, above it. The market sailed down, giving you nice profit. You can see that, giving you nice profit. You can take profit when the price, this blue line reaches the 50 level. Good, you can take profit there. it's fine. And you can also ignore and take profit as soon as it touches the 20 level, which is the oversold level. You just quickly take off your profit, and that's good. You get that, guys? This is a very powerful strategy for step index. I know we're gonna make money with this strategy, guys. We're gonna make money to the glory of the Most High God, of course. Okay, now we just talk about long-term trade with a strategy. That was daily time frame. So now I'm gonna move you to the most simplest time frame, which is the 1 minute time frame. And then now you see how powerful the strategy is. Okay, good. So now, guys, this is it. It crossed below, first condition was met. Green moving average crossed below, first condition met. You can see. Second condition, the blue at the oversold level. And the third condition, the yellow was at the overbought. Sorry, the yellow was above the red moving average. This is a complete signal to place a buy. So at this point, you get in for a buy. You eat the profit from this point to this point. As it touches the overbought level, which is right here where it is now, you are out of the market. As simple as that. Do you know how much you make from here to this point? Guys, the strategy is damn good. It's damn good. So if you were to enter this trade from this point, guys, take for instance, all condition was made, this was made, then this and this. So let's assume you entered this trade at this level, guys. At this level, you're putting your stop loss below this green moving average, because moving average serves as dynamic support and resistance level. So you're putting your moving average, your stop loss below this moving average, that if it breaks through this moving average, then it hits your stop loss. You're out of the trade. But it continues moving to the upside, guys. The strategy is a damn powerful strategy. Like, it's always working. You can see it at this point as well. As far the conditions are met, as far the three conditions are met, guys, once you follow the rules, guys, you make money with the strategy. Look at it again at this point. You can see it crossed above. And again, you make money with the strategy. For real, guys, for real. For real. That's the truth. It crossed again below. And you can see to the upside, three condition was met. And again, at this point, you can see, at this point again, the green moving average crossed above the chart. First condition, second condition at the overbought level, and again sold to the downside, guys. Look, you take profit at the 20 when it reaches the 20 level. Sweet strategy from Forex success. And again, guys, I'm gonna show you many places where this strategy worked perfectly. Then from here, we're gonna move to the 5 and 15 minute time frame. Look, cost above, it's sold. First condition, second, and the third, red above the yellow, it's a sell. You TP either from the 50 or you take profit when it reaches the 20s. So let's check out 5 minute time frame while I show you some good examples with the strategy, guys. I'll show you good examples with this strategy. So you can see again at this point, overbought, it crossed above the red above the yellow, it sold. You remember your stop loss is around this point. Yeah, your stop loss is around this point, and then it sold to the down. It sold to the down. You take your profit right. Take your profit right here. Right here. Guys, step in the strategy. Step in the strategy. I don't expect you to lose money again with this strategy. Seriously, if you follow these rules, look at it again. Crossed the first condition, green cross below. it moves to the upside, buy. Stealth condition met, buy continuously. You take profit when it reaches the overbought level, which is the 80 level. Guys, you follow the rules, you have some patience, then the sky will be your beginning. Of course, again, at this point, cost above condition, the three conditions are met and it works. Guys, let me just give you one expo. Of course, I'll give you just this key. Look at the 1 minute time frame. Guys, please watch this carefully, and make sure you hit that red subscribe button. Guys, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Of course, turn it up. You're not paying for this. I'm giving you this knowledge for free, guys. And give this video a thumbs up, drop good comments. Of course, share this video to your loved ones. I'm gonna give you this key right now. It's gonna help you for real. This is I'll just get something to mark this point right here. Let me use this. Okay, no, that's not what I need. Hold on, guys, let me mark it out. I want to show you something. Okay, no, let me just use this. And this is not what I need. Let me get him off. So guys, I want to show you something. Just stay tuned. Great. So this, for the 1 minute time frame, we're using this line, this straight line on red, to mark out the intersection for the 1 minute time frame. So let's say you are at this point right here and you see this intersection on 1 minute time frame. I'm just trying to give you one expo, guys. I'm trying to show you something and it will help you for real. Then you move to the 15-minute time frame, the 5-minute time frame. You can see the same intersection as well. The green moving average is also crossing above the red, which indicates a buy. 15-minute time frame also below the chart. Yeah, you can see. You know, when we said when it crosses below the chart, it's a buy. As you can see, it crosses below the chart, guys. This is, and it's already on an uptrend. So this is trying to let you know that for real, this thing is moving to the upside. It's not like you're seeing it against like the green moving average above the chart, which indicates a sell, but this indicates a buy on the long run. And the 1 minute time frame is also giving you a very good entry right here, right now, to make some money. You quickly dive on it and make profit. It works on both long time frame and short time frame, guys. Long term, look at it, 1 hour time frame. Imagine you enter this trade as the three conditions were met at this point right here, and you have to sell it for how many hours, guys? For this is up to 48 hours, guys. Up to 48 hours to hit the tick profit. You can see it works for both short term frame and long term trading, guys. Step in the strategy for both swing and scalpers. Yeah, it's a very perfect strategy for swing traders and also for scalpers. Thank you guys for watching the strategy. And of course, if you don't know what we're trading here, we're trading synthetic indices. These are synthetic indices: step index, crash and booms, volatility indices. The link is at the description below to open an account. Yeah, you create an account and then you link it up with your derivative account. Sorry, you link it up to your MetaTrader 5 so you can start trading with us. This is MetaTrader 5. You can see this is MetaTrader 5. Of course, this is MetaTrader 5 that we are using to trade. But the broker is Deriv. The link is at the description below. Make sure you click on it and open an account so you can start trading. Follow our channel to get more strategies. Thank you guys for watching. Forex Success, we got you. Our Telegram group, the link is at the description. Also, our Instagram, link also at the description. Thank you guys. Forex Success, we